In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets and data validations to create a drop-down list when you have data in a range. I'm going to go into my cell, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go down to where it says View More Cell Actions and Data Validations. When I do that, I'm going to click here, add a rule, and usually when you have a drop-down list, you can key in the different options you want for your drop-down list. But we're not going to use that drop-down menu item. We're going to go to drop down from a range, and what that does is give us the option to select data that's in a range, and I want to choose this data here. And you notice I'm selecting a couple of empty cells, and I'll tell you why I'm doing that in a minute. Click OK. Now I have all my menu options here. I'm going to click done, and now when I go to my drop down menu here, I have all the departments from here listed here. But you also notice that I selected some empty cells, and I did that because maybe I want to add another department. I can easily just add another department by clicking on one of those empty cells and type it in that new department that I want to add. And when I do that, it updates my drop down list, and now you see HR here. If I remove it from here, it'll update my drop down and it's gone. You can also add a drop down menu for data you have on another spreadsheet. So here for the positions, I'm gonna create another drop down list based on the positions I have on this tab here. So right click, scroll down, click on data validations. I'm gonna add a new rule. I'm going to select from a range option, and this time I'm going to select the data from range, the data from this tab, and I'm gonna add a couple of blank cells just in case I need to add a new position. I can do that. Click OK. Now all these positions have been added to my drop down. Click done. Now when I come back here and I select my drop down, I have my list of positions here. Now if I want to copy this drop down list to the end of my spreadsheet, that's easy to do. All I do is come up here, select both, and hit Control C to copy it, and then I'm gonna drag it down, select all these cells that I want, right click, paste special, and data validation only. And when I do that, it copies my drop down list all the way down my spreadsheet. That's how you can use Google Sheets to create drop down lists from a range. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, if you're new, subscribe for more tips like this.